Hello friends. One of the most unpleasant things anyone can experience is kidney stones. They can seemingly come out of nowhere, and they lead to excruciating and debilitating pain. People often end up in the emergency room for treatment. But haven't people been getting kidney stones since the beginning of history? What are the traditional remedies for this affliction? And can they still be used today? In this article, you'll learn that there are indeed cheap and effective home remedies for ridding yourself of kidney stones. And you'll learn how you can put them to use for yourself. In order to know how to effectively get rid of kidney stones, you first have to understand what you are dealing with. The kidney's job is to cleanse the blood of impurities and help your body get rid of toxic compounds via urination. When you urinate, your body is flushing out liquid waste and minerals that it doesn't need or cannot digest. Urine normally dilutes these compounds before they can accumulate in harmful amounts. However, sometimes there is simply too much of a given substance to get rid of through urination. This is when stones form in the kidneys. Kidney stones are formed by the accumulation of several different kinds of minerals and acidic compounds that form a crystalline structure when they build up. These substances include uric acid, cysteine, struvite, and the most common form is calcium oxalate. The type of food a person eats can contribute to the type of kidney stones they develop. The most common form of kidney stones is those caused by too much calcium oxalate building up in the kidneys. There are many types of food that can contribute to this, including chocolate, nuts, and certain types of fruit. Other factors like metabolic disorders and intestinal bypass surgeries can also increase your likelihood of developing this form of kidney stone. Uric acid stones are caused by not drinking enough water, combined with a diet that is very high in protein. If you eat tons of red meat and do not drink many fluids, your risk of kidney stones is significantly higher than the average person's. Struvite stones are caused by urinary tract infections, while the rarer cysteine stones are linked to hereditary genetic disorders. Usually, the only way to get rid of kidney stones is to pass them through your body through urination, which can be very painful. In some serious cases, surgery or a special kind of treatment with sound waves that shatter the stones may be necessary. As with any health problem, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Staying hydrated is one of the best things you can do to prevent yourself from ever having to deal with kidney stones. Also, eating a balanced diet and limiting your sodium intake to around 2,300 milligrams can be beneficial, according to the Harvard Health blog. Okay, let's say it's too late, you've already got a kidney stone. What do you do now? There are normal, over-the-counter medicines like NSAIDs and Tylenol. And if your doctor gives you the okay to take them, you should. If you'd rather try a more traditional approach, these home remedies can offer a natural alternative. 1. Chanca piedra. This is a traditional folk remedy used by indigenous people of the Amazon rainforest, as well as in Ayurvedic, Indian, medicine. Philanthus niruri, or Chanca piedra, also called stonebreaker, is a plant that can increase bile secretion and aid in the elimination of toxins from the body. Some people who have taken Chanca piedra supplements reported reduced pain and shortened duration of kidney stones. More clinical research needs to be done on this unusual herb, but it remains a time-honored approach for treating and preventing kidney stones. 2. Apple cider vinegar. If you read health blogs or are just a nutrition-minded person in general, you have probably already heard of this stuff. Apple cider vinegar is the closest thing to a cure-all miracle substance that exists in real life. It is beneficial for a wide variety of health problems, and this is no exception. The acidic properties of apple cider vinegar break down kidney stones into smaller pieces, making them easier to pass through urination. The cider also increases the alkalinity of the urine and blood, which decreases the chances of more stones forming. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with water to form a tonic and drink it 1 to 3 times a day if you have kidney stones. Some people like to drink this every day as a preventative measure, and it certainly doesn't hurt. The taste can be a bit harsh, so try mixing it with a little honey if you find it unpleasant. Be forewarned though that acidity can affect the enamel of your teeth, so rinse your mouth out with water after drinking any vinegar concoction. 3. Lemon juice and olive oil. This may sound strange, but there are many who swear by it. Mix 1/4 cup of lemon juice and 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Make sure it's the real thing and not cheap knockoff oil. Mix the two together and drink it down. Follow this by drinking an 8-ounce glass of water. This combination of oil and acid will help break apart the stones and make passing the pieces less painful. Try these home remedies yourself if you are experiencing kidney stones. Be sure to talk to your doctor, of course, as kidney stones are a serious health problem and not something that should be left to chance.